Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got a very interesting email. I follow, and this is the website here. We'll jump up at the top for a second. I follow swling.com website. Lots of good reviews and information about radios, mostly shortwave radios. Anyway, yesterday, or maybe it was this morning, I got an email about this post right here, which is a new Eton Elite satellite. It's coming in Q4 of this year. Now, let me digress a little bit and tell you what this is, or its history. It started many years ago, back in, I think, 2007, thereabouts. Eton came out with this kind of Cadillac portable radio, AM, FM, shortwave, and XM satellite radio called the E1. I think it was originally announced as a Satellite 900, Grundig Satellite 900. And it got very, very good reviews, but it was very, very expensive. I don't remember how much it was, but it was, I think, around $400 back then for a portable radio. The thing that caught my eye, and I've been kind of looking for a used one of these and for years, is the huge display. Now, this is Universal Radio's website, which used to carry these. And then they have a lot of details about the old Eton 1, which is not being made anymore. You can find them, let's see. Here we go. You can find them on eBay. Here's one on eBay. Here's a couple on eBay. $700. Now keep in mind, these are quite old. Like I say, 2007, 2008. And here's one, $750. So you can still get them, but used, but they're pretty old. I mean, pretty expensive. So this is way out of my price range. Anyway, let's go back. So here's the post on I'll go back up again, SWLING website. And it's talking about this updated release of the E1 called the Elite Satellite. And you can pre-order one now from Universal Radio, and it'll be available sometime in the Q4 of 2019. And he mentions here that a number of people have commented that this is a hoax. Well, he says it's not a hoax. And then here's some specs about it from the Universal Radio website. And that's about it. So I'm excited about this, although it's way out of my price range. I mean, this display is huge, and it's got a lot of functions, and it's a good receiver. Here is, again, the E1. Here's the eham.net, where they have good reviews. And you can see, let's go down here. The first one was December 2007. And if we go back up to the top, it has scored an average of 4.4 out of 5. And, here you go. The manufacturer's retail price was $400, $399. So that was, and the thing is, this radio, it wasn't really popular because of the price. And so there's not a lot of them out there, used ones out there. And because of that, people are demanding, like double the price that it cost brand new. But here's a 5 out of 5, 5 out of 5. There's a 3 out of 5. It's 5 out of 5, 5 out of 5, 4 out of 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 3 out of 5. All right, let's just look at 3 out of 5. Rate this rig just okay as mine. Its problem did not perform specification. They refunded his money. They may have, because so he thinks he may have gotten an early production unit, which that's the risk you take, and that's the risk you will take on ordering this new one now. Is initial production runs, as much as they try to check them out, there are problems. And typically, and nowadays, a lot of these radios have a central processor and software that controls all the functions. So they can update the software without, having to rebuild a computer or anything like that. So there's a possibility. $350. That's when the original one cost $399 back in 2070. That's probably equivalent to $400 or $500 cash nowadays. Then $349 is not a bad price. So, yeah, it's out of my price range, but you might think about it. And if you hear anything, please let us know. And I thank the gentleman at SWLING for posting this information. If you haven't checked out his website, please do. And you can subscribe to his post, and he will send you an email that says, here's a new post, and this is what it's about. That's how I found out this morning. And his website is SWLING.com. That's it. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up, and have a great day. Bye-bye.